I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine, no friends of mine.
So hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I hope you all are doing great. So सबसे पहले I was deciding which subject should I do first. So I started off by doing civics and I was doing the revision of the chapter power sharing, as this chapter is going to be in our PT1 exam. As you guys know that my exams are approaching, so I'm rushing to complete my PT1 syllabus. इतनी सारी छुट्टियां थी और उसमें मैंने एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी नहीं करी. Basically, what I did was I was completing my backlogs. Even though my first exam is of maths, but I'm focusing on social science क्योंकि मैंने अब तक social science का शुरू भी नहीं किया. And हमें कोई भी एग्ज़ाम्स के बीच में ब्रेक नहीं मिलेगा for like 1 or 2 days. सीधा for like continuous for 3 days we will be having our exam. So I'm thinking to cover my syllabus as much as I can for PT1. I can really manage geo, eco and civics, but I'm really scared of history क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम्स में भी हिस्ट्री के 3 और 5 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. So here I was reading the chapter and I was writing the main points, and I can understand things better when I note them down. Like it helps me to memorize the things better. Guys, the fact कि I literally spent like 1.5 hour on this chapter. I was thinking कि मेरा ये chapter 1 hour या फिर 45 minutes में हो जाएगा, but I think that happens because कभी कभी मैं चैप्टर के बहुत डिटेल में चली जाती हूँ, एंड दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क बिकॉज एग्ज़ाम के एक दिन पहले हमें बहुत सारे चैप्टर की रिवीजन करनी पड़ती है. तो उसके बीच में वी कांट स्पेंड लाइक 1 hour और लाइक 2 hour ऑन अ सिंगल चैप्टर. After a while and after covering few topics, I thought कि मैं अब फटाफट से चैप्टर की रीडिंग कर लेती हूँ बिकॉज लास्ट में 2 या 3 टॉपिक्स ही बचे थे. सो आई थॉट कि मैं बस इनकी फटाफट रीडिंग कर लेती हूँ बिकॉज माई हैंड्स वर ऑल्सो हर्टिंग आफ्टर राइटिंग फॉर सो लॉन्ग. So when I was done with civics, I took a break and I thought to sleep. Then I woke up and came out of my room to see such a pretty weather, like it was such a pretty sky. As I was done with civics, I thought कि अब maths भी कर लेते हैं. So I did the second exercise of the chapter 7. Basically, I'm just revising my syllabus for my exam. And even I was thinking to start a new chapter of maths, trigonometry, but then I thought कि पहले एग्ज़ाम दे दूँ, उसके बाद सोचेंगे क्योंकि कहीं पता चले कि मैंने एक नवा चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर दिया है और मेरे एग्ज़ाम्स अच्छे भी नहीं गए. सो आई डोंट वांट दैट.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you.